Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to make an apple pie lattice. First, ensure your pie dough is chilled and ready to work with. We'll cover how to cut uniform strips, then demonstrate the simple yet elegant weaving technique. Finally, you'll learn to trim and crimp the edges for a perfect bakery-quality finish. Get ready to impress everyone with your stunning homemade apple pie. To begin, roll out your chilled pie dough on a lightly floured surface. You want it to be about 1/8 inch thick, forming a large circle. Next, grab a ruler and a pastry wheel or sharp knife. Carefully cut your dough into even strips, aiming for a consistent width of approximately 3/4 of an inch. Straight, uniform strips are key for a beautiful lattice. Now for the fun part, weaving. Lay half of your dough strips parallel across the top of your apple pie filling spaced evenly. Take every other strip and fold it back about halfway. Place one of your remaining strips perpendicular over the unfolded strips. Now, unfold the previously folded strips over this new one. Repeat this process, alternating which strips you fold back to create your woven pattern. Once your lattice is fully woven, it's time for the finishing touches. Carefully trim any excess dough hanging over the edge of your pie plate. You can use a knife or kitchen shears for this. Next, crimp the edges of the crust, either with your fingers or a fork, to create a decorative seal. Finally, brush the entire lattice with an egg wash for a beautiful golden brown finish when baked. Your pie is now ready for the oven.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.